Hello and welcome back to another episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. 2 weeks ago, I asked for your help. I wasn't sure what to do with Norbert. He is still growing roots, but he has still no upward growth even after a year. I'm concerned, and I put it to you, the fabulous viewers who are along for this avocado adventure, to decide what we'll do with Norbert. I asked you if I should leave Norbert in the water as he currently is, or if I should take action and put him in soil. After my recent experiment, I thought the soil option was particularly interesting as it proved to produce avocado saplings far faster than the water and toothpick method, which is what I'm hoping will happen if we decide to do that. Now, the results of our poll. You know by the title of this video what we're going to do, but 100% of the votes were for us to put Norbert in soil. By the way, thank you very much to the 10 people who responded to the poll. You have helped make Scott Grows an Avocado Tree history, and I am very grateful. And so that is what we will be doing today. I was hoping that he would have a shoot by the time we potted him up, but I'm afraid that if we continue at this rate, he'll never put up a shoot. Therefore, friends, the time has come for us to take Norbert out of the water and into the soil. Before I put any avocado seeds in soil, I need to mix the soil. Avocados love well-draining soil. They hate having wet feet or too much dampness in the soil because they are fairly sensitive to root rot, which will cause problems for the tree. To combat this in my potted avocados, I have come up with a cheap mix, which I'm finding some success with. Instead of buying expensive potting mix, I buy the cheap stuff. The one that I'm using today was around $4, and I'll use it for a handful of other things I want to pot up as well. I also use some sand. Any playground sand or paving sand will do, it doesn't matter. This paving sand was $8 for the bag and will last me a year or more for potting. The sand is in the mix to assist with drainage. And I throw in some dynamic lifter as a soil improver and fertilizer. I put in roughly 1 litre for each 25 litres of potting mix, and I give it a good mix. Now that the soil is ready, I'm ready to put it in the pot. Then I take Norbert's toothpicks out, make a hole roughly the depth of the length of the roots, and I put him in. Then I'll cover him up. I have a bit of his seed showing, but that hasn't been a problem so far with my other avocados. Some of my avocado saplings have been fully submerged seeds, and some have had seeds sitting at the ground level. They don't care. Then I give the pot a gentle bang to shift the soil around the roots to fill the hole. I'm almost done now, but I need to give it a good water to moisten all of the soil, get rid of any air pockets and to water Norbert. While avocados don't like having wet feet, I always flood them when transplanting them, as I would with any other plant. I'm using a seaweed solution to assist with the stress of being planted as well as to support Norbert's health. Once Norbert has been watered, his soil gently patted down, he's ready to join the other avocados in the greenhouse. The weather is starting to cool down, and so to protect my saplings from the coming winter frosts, I'm keeping them in the greenhouse. Once they're older, they'll be able to handle the Melbourne winters without much assistance, but I'm giving them some support while they are young. In the greenhouse, I am keeping the avocados moist. Not wet, not so there's puddles, just so that their soil is damp. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we wait. The very nature of growing plants is that progress is slow and we won't know if this is working for a while. Expect a video in about a month's time, around the end of May, for an update. If anything develops before then, of course, I'll be sending an earlier update. Keep in mind that over the summer, I have had saplings popping up after less than 3 months, and Norbert already has a bunch of roots. I have also had avocado seeds produce upward growth over the winter before. We'll just have to wait. But I do have hope. Thank you very much for tuning in again to this episode of Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm nervous about Norbert, but I will be providing you with an update soon. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.